Hello, Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia, and this is TransurfingTV, the only official YouTube channel for reality transurfing that is endorsed by Vadim Zeland himself, the author and creator of Reality Transurfing. So today, day 2 of the 78 days of practical transurfing. If you missed day 1, go back and take a look, and you can jump right in and follow along. These are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I will be going over one of the 78 days. And again, if you're starting late, just go back and take a look at day 1. Day 2 is tearing the veil. Day 1 was the awakening. So remember, it is going to be challenging for you to create your own reality or take control of the script if you're not self-aware, if you're not even aware that there is a script, if you can't bring awareness to the areas of your life that there may be a script that is imposed onto you by your environment or by others. We went over how people influence us, right? Or how we get into the pendulum swing and we really lose control of ourselves, and life becomes kind of like a dream that we don't have any control over. So day 2 is tearing the veil. This is in line again with waking up. This is you removing from your eyes, your vision, things that may be blinding you, so to speak, about truths of what is going on in your reality and your relationship to it. So I will get right into it. I will give the statement, the interpretation, and then of course I will kick in my 2 cents. So day 2, tearing the veil. Realize that your life is a game that was imposed onto you. While deep into it, you're not capable of objective assessment of situations, and also not capable at all of influencing the course of events. First, go down to the spectator seats. Look around with a clear mind and say, at this point I am not asleep, and I realize where I am, what happens, what I am doing, and why I am doing it. Then climb back onto the stage and continue to play as you remain observing. Now you have a huge advantage: awareness. You are destroying this game and have acquired the ability to control it. Vadim Zeland's interpretation. When you are asleep, you are in the power of the circumstances, because your mind is dormant and accepts everything as it is without asking any questions, as if everything is the way it has to be. You feel as if reality exists independently of you and you are unable to influence it. You have resigned your fate to the combination of abilities given by birth and environmental conditions in which you have to live. The only thing left for you to do is to swim with the current of fate, making weak attempts to claim your rights from time to time. Can this be changed? Yes, it can, and you'll do it. Until this moment, you have accepted reality as you were taught to do. Now, become aware of it as a dream. Only in the conscious dream you are able to really control the situation. On stage, all have their role and everyone somehow interacts with you, expects something from you, imposes on you, asks or requires something, helps you or hinders you, loves you or hates you. Watch this game consciously as an observer, and then you will yourself understand everything. Become the observer today. So, fascinating topic, because Vadim Zeland talks a lot about activating our inner observer, right? That this is kind of an entity that is inside of us, but he is actually presenting to us the option of becoming the observer. So I'm going to ask a few questions for you now to consider throughout your day. What questions can you start to ask yourself today that will tear the veil from your eyes? Okay, so what kind of beliefs have you been adhering to that have maybe been limiting you or holding you back or keeping you in a place where you are not really capable of expanding or evolving out of yourself, or connecting to a higher track, or connecting to that higher version of yourself? So we all sort of create these things that these filters or these slides, really. Remember, every single human being, every living being on this planet is living through a slide of their perceptions, right? They are creating their own reality. You're creating your own reality. Every person in this world is creating their own reality through this veil, this filter, or this slide that they have collected information for and see reality through. So if you want to change, if you want to evolve, if you want to start creating your own reality, you will have to start creating a different image that you see your reality through, a different lens, and start removing that veil of things that may possibly be holding you back, or something that's creating a limitation in your life. So what questions can you start asking yourself today that will tear that veil from your eyes? I know me personally, back in my old life, when I left my old life behind, I asked myself a lot of big questions. Could I have a new career? Could I live outside of the place I'd spent 20 years of my adulthood? Could I leave it all behind? Could I start a new path? And the answer was yes, but first I had to start asking myself these valuable questions, tearing that veil from my eyes that had me convinced that that was the only way I could live. Secondly, how can your current script be changed? So again, we're all adhering to a script. This script may be created by yourself. My script's created by myself. But it may also be the script of another, maybe the script of a romantic partner, maybe the script of an employer, a family member, your parents, something coming from your environment. So if you want to find success, it will be about you creating a new script for yourself and getting off of a script that may no longer be serving you. So how can your current script be changed today? How can you become the observer today? So again, activating that inner observer inside of you, or as Vadim Zeland's presenting to us now, becoming the observer. How can you start observing more? The background, the fabric of what your reality, your specific reality consists of. In you becoming the observer or activating your inner observer, you are going to gain control, because you are going to be gaining more information, and with more information, you have more choices. So how can you become the observer today? So that is day 2, tearing the veil. Please comment or ask any questions if you have any questions, and stay tuned for day 3 on Friday. Bye guys, thanks.